So first, what I wanted to do, I'm going to guide you in a breath exercise, and that's called square breath for grounding. And then I'm going to walk around you as best I can with some of my sonic instruments, my bowls, just to deepen your relaxation a little bit. And then I'm going to guide you through a toning session. And after which, all throughout this, if you are comfortable, you can keep your eyes closed. If you want to keep your eyes open, that's fine, it doesn't matter. And then after which we do the toning session, usually what we do is we wait. We hold the silence, hold the space for a few minutes, just to kind of let everything percolate and sink in. So a couple things about toning. I'm going to be going up in pitch, okay? But you don't have to if you don't want to, and it doesn't matter if you can't match my pitch. It has nothing to do with singing. This is definitely not singing, okay? Your intention is far more important than staying on pitch with me, okay? So what I wanted to just explain to you a little bit about the chakras now. Or some people say chakras. You say tomato, I say tomato, so whatever. So the chakras are what they're saying, there are 7 of these energy centers in our bodies. They're like vortices of energy. And these are connected to various organs and glands, and they have certain attributes. The lower 3 chakras are associated with the more base physical attributes in nature. And the upper 3 are more spiritual. And the 4th, which is our heart, that connects them, connecting heaven and earth. Okay, and we can think of them in certain ways. They also are associated with color as well. The root chakra is red, and that's associated with instinct or safety. The sacral chakra is the color orange, and that's associated with emotions or pleasure, the sexual center. The solar plexus chakra is yellow, and that's associated with energy or self-worth, getting things done. The love chakra, our heart chakra, is green, and sometimes it can be also pink, I believe, as well. And that's associated with love, of course, and unity, uniting the two. And our throat chakra is blue, okay, and that is associated with truth or speaking our truth. An expression. And our third eye chakra is purple, okay, or indigo, and that's associated with intuition or wisdom. And the crown chakra is violet, and that's associated with connection or oneness. And this is another way of looking at them as well. I am, I feel, I do, I love, I speak, I see, I understand. And we're going to be toning the vowel sounds. This is how I learned to do it. I know there are other mantras called, and there are many mantras, but the other mantras that are more common are the bija mantras. You may have heard the lam, vam, ram. That's very common in yoga practice. But we're going to be doing the vowel sounds. So let me guide you through these. We're going to be doing the root chakra is that makes sense, right? As in cup. You want to do that for me? Give me a nice Oh, that was great. All right, now we're going to do ooh as in you. Ooh, right. Or oh as in go. Oh. Or ah as in saw. Ah. Or I as in my. I. Or a as in say. A. Or e as in me. E. Right? And don't you love that the throat chakra is I? I love that. I love that. What I'm going to be doing too is I'm going to be putting up the mandalas of each of the chakras. These have energy as well. So we're just going to get back on your heels and you're just going to kind of shake a little. Let's do that first. I think that'll be helpful. Just shake, 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 shake your body. And just feel how your body feels in that. And inhale and exhale. And blow it out. It's all about the body. Our bodies are amazing. They tell us so much. And then just stop very gently and then just stand. You probably feel like you're kind of vibrating a little bit right now. And just notice what's going on in your body. And exhale. And then you can be reseated, please. Thank you. I'm going to take you through that square breath. Again, you're going to inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold for 4. So let's just blow out all your air. And we're going to start to inhale for a count of 1, 2, 3, in and hold, 2, 3, 4, blow out, 2, 3, 4, and hold, 2, 3, 4, and in, 2, 3, 4, and hold, 2, 3, 4, blow out, 2, 3, 4, and hold, 2, 3, 4, and in, 2, 3, 4, and hold, 2, 3, 4, blow out, 2, 3, 4, and hold, 2, 3, 4, and release your breath and breathe normally. And I'm going to be coming around now with my instruments. We're going to start with the root chakra. I'm starting on this pitch. Okay, very good. So take a nice deep breath and going to do it 3 times. Next is the sacral chakra. Ooh. Ooh. The next is the solar plexus chakra, and that's O. chakra. Ah. Ah. And the throat chakra, I. And the brow chakra, A. And the crown chakra, E. And just sit and be quiet for a little bit. Allow the magic to happen. Breathe into your body. Bring the breath up from your feet. And blow it out down through the roots of your feet like they're tree roots. Bring up the air from the earth and blow it out down through your feet. Inhale and blow it out. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes. Maybe wiggle your fingers and your toes a little bit. How does everybody feel?
Thank you.
Pretty relaxed, kind of grounded. Yeah, you may. This is a very unusual practice. It's not one that it can make you sometimes feel kind of heady. You know, so if you feel like that today, just stop and do that grounding breath. Just inhale from the earth and then blow it out to the earth. Inhale and exhale into the earth, and that will help sort of ground your energies a little bit. This is something that you can do at home. You don't even have to do 3 of them at a time because it takes a while. If you have like maybe some feeling in your heart, where your heart hurts or you don't have a good heart feeling, just breathe into the heart chakra. Ah, and just say the ah. Or if you want to feel more loving. Maybe I heard it somewhere, but I had this idea when I'm taking a shower, when I'm done with my shower, to tone ah into the water and send it off. Tone love. Love, love. Just as it's going down, send it off. And because the water goes all around the earth, doesn't it? So, right? Think about it. May you never know. I mean, if we're all vibration and energy, I think that would affect the earth. If we can imagine if we all did that. So this is something, hum, tone. It doesn't have to be, oh gosh, I have to spend, X amount of minutes on this per day. Do it whenever you think about it. Driving in the car, I hum in the car. Hum to a song, sing, music. It's so healing. And I also sell my book, The Voice of Women's Wisdom. It's $10. And actually the talk is based on my book. This sort of is the slant of the divine feminine coming up and how men and women can balance the divine feminine masculine by using these practices as well. Thank you all so much for coming. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of this wonderful weekend.